today let's talk about mini splits. This is a 9,000 BTU mini split. It's a 110. So you can run it easily off the 3,000 watt inverter that I have inside. I did a video on our solar, so if you'd like to go back and look at the solar, you can see how much we have, and it runs everything quite efficiently. But today let's talk about the mini split. So anyway, this was a Pioneer. I took it apart and painted it to match the trailer. It was that drab, I'm not sure what color you call that, tan or something. Anyway, I didn't like it, so I took it apart and painted it. It's not real hard. It comes apart fairly easy. The coil and everything stays intact. It's just the skin on it, so you take it off. The mount that it's on, I got off of Amazon, and I will go back and find it, and I'll put a link in the description for you. But it was a generator rack off of Amazon. I don't remember what the weight is on it, but you can stand on it. I weigh 250 and it don't even budge if I stand on it. But I don't remember, I want to say it's 300 pounds, 350, but it was a generator rack. So it comes black, it's powder coated. Don't have any rust on it. It's been on here 2 years now. It does really well. When I mounted the mini split, it comes with rubber feet. So I put the rubber feet under it and then locked it down with bolts and nylon nylocks, and I pulled them down till they were snug, but I didn't pull them all the way down because I wanted to take the vibration out of it where you couldn't hear it through the frame in the trailer, and you can't hear it running. So that worked out really well. Somebody also asked me about this cover that I put in front of it, and it's made out of sign material. We have a graphics business, and this is sign material. It's called Max Metal. It's got two pieces of aluminum, one on the front, one on the back, and then the center piece of it, it's bonded, bonds the two pieces of aluminum together, and it's a rosin core, I believe is what they call it. But it's hard, rigid, super lightweight, and super durable. It's been on here about 1.5 years, about as long as the unit has. Been probably 4,000 or 5,000 miles on it, and I don't have any bugs or anything that's got inside of it. It's got plenty of room. Put your hand through it. It's got plenty of room to exchange air. It's got plenty of CFM running through it. It's running right now low, and I can feel it all the way out to here. Actually out to here. This piece on top is just a small solar panel for the security camera on the front. So let me go around the side and I'll show you how I ran all the line set and stuff in it. Okay, this is just another look. I'm going to do a few close-ups for you. This is how it mounts to the frame. You can see it's just sandwiched between it. And then the front bar, it mounts to the bottom of it. And then it goes down and it has a cross member. And again, it is sandwiched between the rails here. But it's rock solid. I can get on it and jump on it. In fact, I get on it every once in a while to look on top of the trailer, and it doesn't even offer to move. So on this side of it, you can see where the line set comes out. And then I bought the plastic, I don't know what you call this thing, like a track that it all runs in. So anyway, I brought it in, it brought it down the front, and then it goes around. Goes under the trailer, but this is just a plastic piece. You can actually take it off and see where I ran it down inside of it. This other light switch out here is for lighting under here, so I can see my propane bottles at night. So it comes around the bottom and then goes up through the floor. I didn't want any holes in the front of the trailer, so all of my solar and pretty much everything goes through this same hole. Well, there's actually two holes, but all the solar wires goes through one, and then my line sets and power and stuff goes through the other. As you can see, I had the bottom of the trailer, I had closed cell spray foam put in. Really helps with the insulation of the trailer. So on the inside of the trailer, this comes in under my front kitchen counter. and then it goes around, and then it goes up under the counter up the front left corner of the trailer. Alright, and it comes up the corner out of the counter into this side where I've built around them. And this is wood I got from Home Depot, and it already has like a burnt finish to it. And it's just screwed in, that way I can take it back off if I need to. Just take the screws out and slide it out. But it goes up this side, and then it goes under this part of the cabinet right here. It comes across, again you can see I put screws in it where you can get it out. And it goes across the back side. So as it goes across the back side, it goes all the way across, and then comes out at the head unit, and it comes in from the back of it. So that's how I got it in there. I have one of the old school style refrigerators. It runs 24/7, so everything in here runs 24/7, just like your house. And we just never think twice about it. If we go to a campground, we hook up to the shore power. Unless we got full sun, then we don't even hook up then. It's just easier just not to hook up if you don't have to. But it runs really efficient. I said the refrigerator, it's running 24/7. The mini split's running 24/7. The lighting in here, we keep it on most of the time. We're making enough power during the day that it runs everything it needs to run, and has enough power to build the batteries back up. So anyway, we just don't think about it much. Hope this helps you guys. Think about subscribing to our channel. We've noticed a lot of you are not subscribed. Probably 80% of the people who watches our channel is not subscribed. It really helps us out if you think about subscribing. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Ring the little bell. It'll let you know the next time we release a new video. We try to do one a week. Most of the time we release them at 4 o'clock. Been doing a few at 6 o'clock in the evening just to see if that makes a difference. Let me know. 4 o'clock better, 6 o'clock better. If this has helped you out, answered any questions for you, give me the thumbs up. Hit the little like button on it. So, till next time, make each day count. 365. We'll see you down the road.